Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am so ready for fall for multiple reasons. One, Halloween, duh. Two, cooler weather, falling leaves, changing colors, and of course, no more bugs. All of that out of the way, I have a very exciting unboxing. This was not planned, okay? This was found accidentally. So if you guys are subscribed to Jade the Libra here on YouTube, she is awesome. She's basically known for her Halloween decoration shopping, like Halloween hunt. She also has a Halloween group on Facebook where you can join, and I think it's called Halloween Forever, and people will post like different things that they found, or they let everyone know what stores are carrying Halloween stuff, so on and so forth. And I saw a post from somebody that showed this specific item. And I was scrolling, you know, I saw it, kept scrolling, I was like, whoa, hold on, what was that? I scrolled back up, I looked at it, instantly fell in love with it, needed to know where it was from, where I could get it, how, like, I needed it. I needed this item. I started doing some hunting online, and I found it. So we're going to be unboxing it today. I did receive it yesterday. I haven't even opened it yet. I knew I wanted to save it for a video, and I got this from a site called Postmortem. It is a horror boutique, and it says right here, spooky things inside. It's a really, really cool site. Highly recommend you check it out. I found this bag on multiple websites, but I found the fastest shipping and the best price on this particular site. So we are going to open this on up. This item, the cost of it, shipping, taxes, and everything, I believe it came to about $68, which is a little bit pricey, but at the same time, I don't care because this item is going to be a staple of what I will wear for the Halloween season this year. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up. I know a lot of you are probably really itching to find out what it is. I'm itching to find out what it looks like. I'm just really excited. So it doesn't feel super heavy. I would say it maybe weighs a little more than a pound or so. I have my handy dandy box cutter here, and we're going to carefully open this up and take a look inside. I think this is like a limited edition collab that they were doing, and I don't know if it's still in stock. I don't know if you can find it by the time I get this video up, but if you guys are Halloween fans like myself, if you guys are a fan of the John Carpenter Halloween like I am, then this item is going to be right up your alley. So that's kind of like a little clue of what is going to be inside this box. So right when you open it up, here is what everything looks like on the inside. And right on the top here, we have this little card. So there's the name of the site, Postmortem Horror Boutique. So it looks like we just have a thank you for your order. We have a 10% off coupon code for next time, which is super cool. We also have a really awesome looking Postmortem sticker. It's like a, oh my gosh, why am I drawing a blank right here? It's the Ouija board thing. What the hell? I cannot for the life of me remember what these are called. Oh my god, I know you guys are going to let me know in the comments and I'm going to hate myself because I know what this is called. It's just, like, it's on the tip of my tongue, but I can't get it out. I don't know. But yeah, we did get this sticker, which I'm super excited about. Really, really cool, really cute. And then, of course, we just have my receipt right here. And on the receipt, they actually wrote, "Thank you, stay spooky" on it, which is really cool. I love that little personalization. This is my first order from them. Not sponsored. They have no idea who I am. I bought this product with my own money. But I just think it's cool when they do, like, little personal messages like that. I don't know. I think it's just, it touches my heart, and it makes me want to shop from them again. Okay, let's go ahead and see and reveal what we have inside. So once we move the black tissue paper, oh bitch, oh my god, there it is, there it is, there it is. The item that I got, as you can see, it is a pumpkin. It is a jack-o'-lantern, but it is not just any jack-o'-lantern. It is from the Halloween movie. If you guys have seen the first one, which if you haven't, we cannot be friends. You have to see that movie. But in the opening of that movie, it shows like it does like the opening credits, and on the opening credits there's a picture of this jack-o'-lantern, and it's iconic. Okay, it is an iconic scene from the movie, and I saw that someone posted that they made an actual purse, an actual bag, a bag of this jack-o'-lantern skull. Oh my gosh. So here is the little tag right here, Halloween. This is the 1978 Halloween purse. Now, they have so many different types of like jack-o'-lantern purses out there, which are really cool, and I thought about getting one of those, but then when I saw this one I knew I had to have over all of the other ones because it's way too cool. So here is what the bag looks like that it is out of the packaging. It feels really, really nice. Like, this feels super, super high quality. It feels like real leather, but I don't think it is. It just has a zipper right at the top, and then it has an adjustable strap on the top here, which I'm assuming you could use this as like an over-the-shoulder bag or a crossbody. Really nice quality. It is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, so this makes me feel better about the amount of money that I spent on this, like $68 for this. I'm pretty happy. Like, it is bigger than my head, and we have a lot of space in here, which is good because I carry a lot of stuff in my purse, and I thought this was going to be a lot smaller. Like, I thought this was just going to be like a purse that I could only fit a few things in, but it looks like we're going to be able to fit a lot more. So let's go ahead and unzip, and we just have all of the inside packaging and whatnot. So I'm just going to take all of that out. Oh my gosh, there's so much room in here. Okay, so when you open it up, we have a lot of room in here. Like, there's a decent amount of room in here. We have one little pocket over here, and then on the other side, we also have another pretty decent size pocket there, and then we have the whole opening. Like, there's a lot of room in here. I will be able to fit everything that I need in here. This is really nice, and I think I will wear this as like an over the body bag. So here is what the bag looks like over the shoulder. Here is my booty right there, so it hangs at a pretty good length. I really like it. It's really comfortable. You know, I can just like walk, do my thing, and I have this awesome bag right here. And this is the 1978 Halloween jack-o'-lantern purse. Look at that, you guys. Like, and this part right here, this is literally what gives it away. Like, that's how you know it's from Halloween. Like, just this part right here. Without this, it would just look like a regular jack-o'-lantern bag. With that, it's like Michael Myers Halloween. Bitch, what? Oh my god, this is so perfect. I am probably going to make this my everyday purse starting now, so I can start carrying it around and showing it off to everybody because, oh my god, and on the back, it is just a plain orange. I wish I knew the dimensions of this so I could let you guys know, but everything is so like high quality. Everything feels really good. Like, this doesn't feel like a cheaply made bag. You know what I mean? Like, this feels like it was made to be used. You know what I'm saying? And it has a good weight to it. It's picking up on camera a little more dull than it is in person. Like, in person, it is a bright orange bag. Like, this is a jack-o'-lantern bag right here. And then the little sticker on the inside, I don't know if you guys will be able to see right there, but it says Trick or Treat Studios, and it says designed by Kenny Avila. I think that's how you say that. So Kenny Avila, very good, good job. And then on the very inside there, it has the little Halloween tag, so you know exactly what movie this is from. I am honestly really, really impressed with this. I'm more impressed with it than I thought I was going to be, because I thought it was going to be a lot smaller. But it's actually a pretty damn good size. Like, this is a good size bag. This is totally worth it. Oh my gosh, it is so freaking hot out. It's like 91 degrees right now. And I know everyone in the comments is gonna be like, I wish it was 90 degrees. In Arizona, it's 115 today. I wish it was 91 degrees. Bitch, I'm from Michigan, okay? 91 degrees is hot as balls, all right? Like, that's hot, man. I don't like it. I want it to be like 65, okay? I'm so excited, you guys. So this is the bag that I got for the 2021 Halloween season. It is so freaking cute. I'm obsessed with it. You guys will have to let me know down in the comments what you personally think of this bag. Do you think it's awesome? Do you love it? Let me know. I want to know. You guys are going to get one too. Also let me know, because we could totally be like Halloween matching buddies. I think that would be freaking awesome. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, make sure you go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, I want to welcome you. Make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. I do upload every 3 to 4 days here. But as the rest of you, I love love you guys oh so very much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Let the spooky season commence. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.